There is a feature here in Word 2019 worth mentioning because it can be very useful to novices and experts alike. It's called the Tell Me Assistant. And what we see here on the ribbon in 2019 has changed slightly. Let's say for example you have opened up a document, simply work on one of your own documents. Let's say you want to change the margins but you don't know how to sure how to do it. Well, you could go to search through the ribbons, all the various tabs across the top until you find the margins. So you can go up here and search field. Used to be labeled Tell Me. It's the Tell Me Assistant. Alt Q is the keyboard shortcut you can see down below, but all you really have to do is click here and start typing. You can get help on the feature, but you can actually be given access to the feature itself directly from the here, so you don't have to find it elsewhere in the ribbon, the quick access toolbar for example. So let's say just click inside and type in margin. You can see type in the word margin shows us the best match at the top adjust margins. Not only do we get help on margin if we want it, you can see there is a help section, but we can actually go directly to adjusting our margins from here. Just hover over that, you can see some presets currently allowing selected. If we wanted to change it 1-inch margins all the way around, we could do that. Selecting normal, there's some other presets down at the bottom. Custom margins where you can click to set your margins for the top, bottom, left and right along with a number of other page setup options. Let's click cancel. If we want to, we could go up to layout. Eventually we would have found margins over here and page setup. But the Tell Me Assistant gives us much quicker access. Let's click here again. Let's say we wanted to add chart. Well, click in here and type in chart. You can see right here on the top, another action is add the chart. Hover over there that to get little bulb on what all about. Down below we could also get help on adding charts, and we can even get access to the. But if you really want to do a chart, just click here and add the chart, and you are taken the insert chart section, where we can go to various types of charts to add them, and we are not going to do that now, of course, but that's how we found it, using the Tell Me Assistant here by clicking insert search. That's faster than going through tabs. Eventually arriving the insert, there we find charts, click there, take us to the exact same dialog, so we will close that up. Now that's if we need quick access to something we can't find, we are not sure how to accomplish task, use Tell Me Assistant, click search, insert search, just type in what is you want to do, and Word 2019 going to help you to get it done.